Hey everyone, I'm at Walmart. I came to complete my IBOTTA Haystack bonus. I have 10 more out of the 18 offers that I had to redeem to get a $5 bonus. I'm going to go through the store and try to find some freebies and some really good items for a lot of pocket. So let's just go ahead and get started, and then we'll go over the final numbers whenever I get home. I'm going to grab one of these airwick essential oils kits. These are priced at $2.97. I'm going to use this $1.50 off of one that I printed from coupons.com. That's going to bring me to $1.47. I bought it's going to give me back $1.50, making this a 3-cent moneymaker. I'm going to grab one of these subtotal products at $2.97. There's no coupons for this, but I bought it. It's going to give me back $1.25, making it a final cost of $1.72. I'm going to grab one of these Snuggle products priced at $3.97. I'm going to use this dollar off of one manufacturer coupon. It's going to bring me down to $2.97. Then I bought it. It's going to give me back $1, making it a final cost of $1.97. If you haven't claimed any Snuggle products yet, if you pick up a Snuggle, like a liquid fabric softener, they have the instant boosters right here, and then they have like the Snuggle dryer sheets up here. If you pick up 2, you get a dollar bonus, but I did that last week, so I'm only going to get $1 back for this one product. I have an offer for buy 2 Hallmark cards, get $2 back. I did scan these birthday cards for 47 cents, and they do attach to the rebate, so 2 of them is going to cost me 94 cents. I'm going to get back $2, making it $1.06 moneymaker. So I'm in the clearance section looking at some makeup. I found this Rimmel Brow Micro Pencil for $2.50. I don't have any manufacturer coupons, so I'm going to pay the $2.50, get back $2.40, making this only 10 cents. If you have the dollar manufacturer coupon, you'll pay $1.50, get back the $2.40 on Ibotta, making it a 90-cent moneymaker if you can find this in your clearance section at Walmart. So I also found this Rimmel Stay Matte Foundation for $2.50. I have a $2.60 rebate attaching to this, making this a 10-cent moneymaker. So that'll cover the cost of the brow pencil that I found, and both of them will be free. I did scan this one also, but this one didn't attach to the rebate. This is not my color, but I can always donate it. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this to count towards the offers that I still need for my bonus. It wouldn't be a video without grabbing any poise pads. I'm going to grab one of these at $4.68. I'm going to use this $2 off of one that I printed from coupons.com a couple weeks back. I'm going to be left to pay $2.68 in store. I bought it's going to give me back $2, making it a final cost of 68 cents. I'm going to grab one of these Johnson & Johnson's Kids Shampoo and Body Wash priced at $4.92. I'm going to use this $2 manufacturer coupon. That's going to bring me down to $2.92. I bought it's going to give me back $1.50, making it a final cost of $1.42 for one. I'm going to grab 2 of these band deodorants priced at $2.27. That's going to bring me to $4.54. I'm going to use this $3 off of 2 that expires tomorrow. That's going to bring me to $1.54. I'm going to get back $1 on Ibotta, making it a final cost of 54 cents for both, or 27 cents each. So the main reason I came to Walmart is because I needed sponges to wash dishes. I'm going to grab one of these at $3.98. Ibotta's going to give me back 75 cents, making this a final cost of $3.23. Last item I'm going to pick up is one of these Bolt drinks priced at $1.28. I have a free offer on Ibotta, so I'll pay the $1.28, get back $1.28 after I redeem my offer, making it completely free. So this is everything I'm going to pick up at Walmart to complete my Ibotta Haystack bonus. This is 11 offers. I only need 10 to complete my bonus. I'm going to grab an extra one, like one of the Rimro freebies, because you never know what can go wrong. I did scan all of them in the store, but sometimes you go from inside the store to pay, then to your car, and the rebate is sometimes gone. So I'm going to grab an extra one just to be on the safe side. These are all of the coupons I'm going to use. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the same rebate, but they're free after the coupon and the rebate, so I just grabbed 2 of them. So I'm going to go ahead, go to the register, and then show you guys the final cost at home. I was headed to the register, and I decided to stop and get one of these Incognito chicken nuggets. These are plant-based. They're going to be $5.27. I'll pay the $5.27, get $5 back on Ibotta, making it 27 cents. So I made it back home. This is everything I picked up at Walmart to complete my Ibotta Haystack bonus. I showed you guys everything in the cart. I did stop and get these Incognito chicken nuggets that were a moneymaker before I stopped at the register. So I picked up 15 items. We're going to go ahead and look at the receipt. There is the Scotch Brite sponges at $3.98. Then the band deodorants for $2.27 each. There's a 3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon. There's a Rimro products both on clearance for $2.50. The Snuggle at $3.97 with a $1 manufacturer coupon. The Suavitel at $2.97. No coupon for that. The band Gatorade drink for $1.28. The Incognito chicken nuggets at $5.27. The Poise pads at $4.68 with a $2 manufacturer coupon. The airwick plug-in warmer kits at $2.97. 2 of them with the $1.50 manufacturer coupons. There's the Johnson & Johnson shampoo and body wash at $4.92 with the $2 manufacturer coupon. And then the Hallmark birthday cards at 47 cents each. My subtotal was $32.49 with tax was $35.94. I got back $24.53 for just my rebates on these products, plus the $5 bonus. That brings me to $29.53 in rebates. Subtracting the $29.53 from my subtotal of $32.49 makes all of these items $2.96 or 19 cents each. After tax, all of these items cost me $6.41, which is not a bad haul. My tax was more than my subtotal out of pocket after my rebates. So a good haul again. I did finish my IBOTTA bonus like I wanted to. I didn't finish the last one. There were 3 altogether. I finished the first. I didn't finish the second. And this is the third one that I did finish. So thank you guys for watching. That brings us to the end of this video. Hope you guys get to make your way out to Walmart and finish some IBOTTA bonuses to get some really good products for a low out of pocket. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.